Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia goes to church. Marcia talks about the Bible, and back in the Bible days, she's saying that back in the Bible days, people were more vicious. They were wicked, as she would have called it. She's saying that in the Bible, they say a cheek, you turn your other cheek so that the other person can do whatever to you. And she's saying back in the days, they had swords that they were using to pierce each other. And she's saying if the disciples had turned the other cheek, then they wouldn't have been where they are or where they were before. So go ahead and go catch Marcia with the Bible, talking about Christianity. And not only that, but she's referring this to nowadays and how it's correlated. So go catch the video, and remember guys to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always lovelies, you know what to do. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
The Bible tells us to turn one cheek and turn this cheek. Nope. Because I look at life and I say to myself, say, if the disciple them did allow the others among them or try to kill them, we wouldn't reach up far. And them the Bible story that when me watch, them the piercing sword and how them get rid of people, them the days that was wicked bad. You understand? Yes, them the days that was wicked bad, When me see you, remember them the days then, some breed that sword neck in all kind of thing, and some breed that something according to the Bible in a fair time. Remember again, if you do something wrong, even some countries still have it. Then stone you to death. Stone you to death. Vicious crime. Some part in the world right now, them still practice the Bible something. You do something wrong, cheating, and then catch you. Then do your something. No, sir. So, when it comes to the test, let God be the judge. That's why a lot of people, that's why me admire my people when me talk to behind closed door. I talk to a lot of prominent people that is high up in society. And me talk to a lot of pastors like Bishop Morgan and many other pastors. They don't judge me. I never hear Bishop Morgan call me and tell me, say, Marcia, stop speaking those language. And I could have tripped up bumbleclot and pussyclot and rasclot in about 10 minutes. And if me go over by Bishop Morgan, right along, and Bishop Morgan a pray. Bishop Morgan, big up my friend Marcia Campbell. Big up woman of God, Marcia Campbell. Same way. Bishop Morgan is going to call me woman of God. Bishop Morgan is an idiot. I one powerful pastor that on social media in a ramp. You not go follow him over there. Him no ramp, Bishop Morgan a lighting candle for you. Him a put you in a castic. Him no ramp. I saw the pastor them on Facebook for behave and help them people. At that the pastor them supposed to do. Come out, come help the people them. Come out and come help the people them. Like how Bishop Morgan help them and talk the truth and stop put the people them down. Make the people them help themselves and get this spiritual warfare off of them. Bishop Morgan no ramp. Bishop Morgan a lighting right in black candle, him a lighting candle, him a light it back for you, right back to sender. Let me tell you something. None of these pastors on social media, they're not qualified. Bishop Morgan no boss. Bishop Morgan have him doctorate. Bishop Morgan is not an ordinary pastor. Bishop Morgan is an apostle. Him study every God Almighty thing from Judaism to this thing to Jewish. Him is very talented and know if read a lot of things. I want one piece of bright man over there. So that the man there, for him education we him have in the Bible and women's, he should have been like T.J. Jakes. Like thousands and thousands of people who not even know who the man there is past social media. You don't even know who Amanda is. 99% of the pastors them out here so don't have the degree and the certificate, and it's something for sure. That man is one brilliant man in the Bible and other areas. I remember saying, no, he was a school teacher in Jamaica, you know, and he's also an accountant. So let me just make you know, say when time when I come on social media, when I feel say some of these pastors now work, Bishop Morgan work, he's an accountant, and he's an accountant for a lot of big business people from Jamaica up here too. So just to make you know, say it's not an ordinary man, and him do taxes a year time. So me just tell you now, say he no fee same sit on social media and say them something. The man work. The man is an educator, man, very bright. Very, very bright. Miss I tell you now. Yeah. Cause one day when I met Bishop Morgan many years ago, and I saw him. When I started watching Bishop Morgan had about 50 to 100 people. 250. And when I saw that the type of pastor what he was, I listened to him. I said, no, so I'm going to promote him. And I promoted him and I start share his content. If you look back in my video, them 3-4 years ago, I pay every day. I share him. I share him out until most of my supporters them over there and get to know him. So if you know what, go to him. Don't take him lightly. Him overqualified if he sit down over here. So nobody be see him sit down over there. So I don't know if he's having some bigger than 90% of the people out here when it comes to education in the Bible and different religion. Him not study one religion, you know. That's why I'm so talented. That's why the man know things. Him study Judaism, him study Catholic, him study all of them something. That's why him know what to help on with. Me I tell you now. What more you? Why you think him get the most people for baptize a year time? You know, say come out in the newspaper. You know, say last year before last, him baptized over 200 people. How many churches on Facebook baptized over 200 people from Jamaica to America? You know, say every year him it's the year before last, he came out in the Jamaica newspaper, you know. I hope you know, in come out in the newspaper, you know. Over 200 souls the year before last, and baptized. Some up here, some at Jamaica. Then call in the modern time Moses. And him don't have a big church. Check the big church then. You know why him can't baptize so much people? Because whatever he's doing and the way I'm preaching and teaching, I don't know what I'm talking about in this morning. It's working. The people must see progress. The people are seeing progress in whatever method, whatever he's doing to help them, to bring their faith to Jesus Christ. It's helping them. And when you go to a church and you see where your life can change and you can wake up in our morning, you understand? Please do listen to me. Someone and whoever is arguing, please respect my page. Respect my page. Please stop it right now. She came over here and she said something to me, and me answer her. I may ask her to stop it right now. I am not going to tolerate this on my page with this back and forth because I am talking and it's very distracting. So may I ask you kindly, please, don't bother with the argument. It doesn't care which friend I have or which family member or whatever it is. If they say something to me and me see where me can counteract it and say something, it doesn't mean that I'm insulting them or whatever, but I'm just telling them the truth when it comes to the Lord's work. Because religion is not something to be played with. And when me see you argue back and forth, it is very distracting. So may I ask you now, someone cut it out. The other lady, please cut it out. Yes, I saw when you said something and I saw the response that someone say. So I am saying to Uno, please just leave it. Let me, this is my page. This is called the Reality Show of Marcia Life. It's the way I think. If you go up at the top of my page and you would say, go up on the top and read and you would say. Because that's when I check out this page, Facebook asked me what this page is all about. And I went up there and I wrote a long sentence. Look what it says. Go up there and read it and hear what it say. And see if I know the same thing I do. Me not come over to talk about people. Me come over here to talk because if me come out here and start cussing or hear some of this and that, I come out and me start motivate. Because me have to give God thanks and praise. So just go by top and see if I know what me say me I do. What my page represent. Go up there and see. Go up on top and hear what it say. Go up on top. Go read with the cup about 3 or 4 statements to make up there. Go up there, go look. Me can't I give motivation and I give a little inspiration and then me see two of them argue. It don't make no sense. It is very distracting. You know the devil come to kill and to steal and to destroy. Someone and I have been acquaintances and friends for over a decade. And she send me motivation every morning and Bible or something. We don't speak on the phone and call each other and whatever, but she's tracking through. She send me text messages and she send out to her WhatsApp people every day. And she motivate me every day. She will send a message and say, keep the faith and write up all kind of something. So when me said to her, I based on what she said to me, I let her know. You understand? So, someone you can't say that. You cannot say you stay away from Facebook. I'm going to say that because you know and I know the spiritual warfare out there. And you know that people, if you say something, people are going to counteract you. Because we all not walking straight. You understand? So you know that. Remember, say people watch it to someone. They know what page you visit. They know everything about you, whoever is watching you. So you cannot stay about Facebook because you come for a purpose. To motivate, inspire, and to interact. And you cannot want people to interact with you and stay with you and you not stay with them either, good or bad. So you cannot say that because Facebook has enlightened you. It has promoted you and helped you. You cannot stay away from Facebook and say those things because you're out here and you're doing such a wonderful job. I have been watching you for years now. Walking up and down in snow and rain with your 2 children as a single mother. Sending 7-8 barrels across Jamaica to the 14 parish and Nongya Park for Africa. So you have to be careful or you write something. You understand? You have to, it's sometimes Facebook right now is going through a mental capacity. It is, believe it or not, it's a very stressful time in people's lives. People are very touchy. People are hurting. And you have to understand that people take a lot of us to bring back a little energy in them, whether they're good or bad. So people are going to be very defensive. So in sometimes, we have to go do what David do. They have to go do what David do. And keep silent. In some way. Because that's how it is. Because Facebook come to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Come to kill, to steal, and to destroy. It's not that I'm half track, you know. But me have to say something. It's not about half track. Because I come out here to preach nothing for all morning. Me can't switch up anytime. I can switch up anytime. That is what Facebook is all about. Distraction, distraction, distraction. That is what it's all about. So if I see something, I go answer it. Distraction, 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 distraction. I never read a quote of a preach. Anyway, go. Sometimes you have to, sometimes when you look into yourself, you have to just try, whatever. I don't want to argue with people. Life is what it is. Life is what you make of it. It's your day. You see, you can decide if you want with it, if it's good or bad. You understand? A lot of people. My friend don't watch me when me curse either. But me I say to her, but my friend don't go on certain pages and watch certain things. But me say, me have a friend from Canada, she don't watch me when I curse. She's a Christian. She a 7th-day Adventist Christian, she don't watch me. She don't watch me when I curse. She don't like when I curse. But if me I get joke and talk like this, she will come on. But me know her. Like oh me and someone that come from far. And she know. Me and I get well for beating out here. Well for beating. Call all kind of name. Call all kind of name on child. Listen. She say what she have to say and me say what me have to say. I can't tell us if I done the argument. This is my page and that's all. So there's no debate about this thing right now. Tell you the truth. Cut it short and that's it. That is it. Cut it short and that is it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's breakfast time. Normally I don't eat breakfast in my early hours here. But true breakfast is prepared and I have to eat it. I don't have to, but me and name it because I'm paying for it. So normally when me have my other house, before me start rent a little place here for the time being, however long I can rent it for, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. And breakfast close off at 9. Breakfast is available from 6 o'clock until 9. If me paying for it with my own hard working money, me I get up the door, go near me. And so life stay. If me there at my house and my cousin call me a morning time and say, Marcia, open the door, I'm coming. Yes, I do. Open the door, I'm coming. Come up the door, I'm coming. When my cousin carry over them big breakfast at morning time, I used to come alive and eat them. So if breakfast is available now, I'm going to eat it. Because guess what? You feel so much better.